Hey there, cosmic explorers! Welcome to Cosmic Buzzin', your ultimate destination for exploring the wonders of space. Today, we're embarking on a journey through our solar system, but we won't be measuring distance in miles or kilometers. Instead, we'll be using astronomical units, or AU. So, buckle up as we take a tour from the fiery heart of our solar system to the cold and distant edges. First, what exactly is an astronomical unit? Good question. An astronomical unit is the average distance between Earth and the Sun. That's roughly 93 million miles, or about 150 million kilometers. That's a long way. But why do we use AU instead of miles or kilometers? Well, space is big, really big. Miles or kilometers just aren't practical for measuring such vast distances. It's kind of like measuring the distance from New York to Los Angeles using inches. Too many zeros. AU makes it simpler. So now that we know what an AU is, let's take a journey through the solar system and measure the distance each planet is from the Sun in AU. And no, we're not just hopping between planets. We're speeding through space at light speed. First up is the speedy little Mercury. It's the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. Mercury orbits at a scorching 0.39 AU. That's less than half the distance between Earth and the Sun. No wonder it's so hot over there, right? Mercury experiences temperature swings of up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 538 degrees Celsius. Next, we have Venus, the so-called Earth's evil twin, because of its thick atmosphere and hellish temperatures. Venus sits at about 0.72 AU from the Sun. Close enough to bake pizzas in minutes, except the atmosphere is mostly poisonous gases. Yikes! Don't book a vacation there! Now here's our home planet, Earth. We orbit the Sun at exactly 1 AU, which is the baseline for all measurements in AU. It's our perfect Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life to thrive. Fun fact, Earth moves through space at 67,000 miles per hour, 107,000 kilometers per hour. Moving on to the red planet, Mars. At 152 AU, Mars is farther out, meaning it takes about twice as long for sunlight to reach Mars compared to Earth. Mars is colder, dustier, but it's the most likely candidate for human colonization. So who's ready to live on Mars? Now things get big with Jupiter. Jupiter is a whopping 5.2 AU away from the Sun. Imagine living on Jupiter. It's a gas giant, inhospitable and wild. The Sun, a mere speck in the vast sky, dim and distant. You'd feel the weight of the atmosphere pressing down, swirling storms raging around you. The colors would be surreal, deep blues, vibrant oranges, and swirling whites. Gravity would be a force to reckon with, pulling you down hard. Days would be long, but the sun's light would barely warm your skin. Instead, you'd be surrounded by the beauty of massive storms, the great red spot swirling endlessly. Jupiter is a world of extremes, a breathtaking alien wonder. Then there's Saturn, the Lord of the Rings. Saturn orbits at 9.58 AU, almost 10 times farther from the Sun than Earth. Imagine watching those amazing rings every day, though they're mostly made of ice and rock. Still pretty cool, right? Further out, at a chilly 1922 AU from the Sun, we have Uranus. Fun fact, Uranus is tilted sideways, so it essentially rolls around the Sun. Definitely a weird planet. Finally, there's the distant Neptune, orbiting at 30.5 AU. That's 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to complete just one orbit around the Sun. Imagine celebrating one Neptune year birthday. It would take forever. But the solar system doesn't end there. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt and Pluto, which sits at around 39.5 AU. Venture beyond the known? The Oort cloud awaits, a vast, mysterious realm. Imagine a place stretching up to 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun. It's the final frontier of our solar system. Here, icy bodies drift in silence, remnants from the dawn of time. This enigmatic cloud marks the boundary of the Sun's influence. What secrets lie within its depths? Comets, perhaps, waiting to be discovered. The Oort cloud is a cosmic treasure trove, a gateway to the unknown. Dare to explore? The universe beckons, and the Oort cloud is just the beginning of an incredible journey. That wraps up our cosmic journey measuring the solar system in AU. It's mind-blowing just how vast our little neighborhood in space really is. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy outskirts of Neptune and beyond, the AU helps us make sense of these huge distances. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Cosmic Buzzin', and click the bell icon for more space-filled content. And leave a comment below telling us which planet you'd love to visit. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and stay curious.